Welcome back, boys and girls. Today is Tuesday. We're going to write our names first. Always practice writing your names. The more you practice, the more quickly you'll be able to write neatly. Today is May. Yesterday was 18th, so today's May 19th. 2020, so we write 5-19-20, and let's read the directions. This is the same as the first page from yesterday, except the addend that we're looking for is not the second addend, but the first addend. Remember, boys and girls, in addition, it doesn't matter which order we add, so we can count on from the second number to get the total. Let's read the directions first. It says directions, write the missing number. So we have sum plus 4 equals 10. So we need to make a 10. In order to make a 10, we know we already have a 4, and we're just going to count on with our fingers until we reach 10. We say 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 6 fingers. We don't really need to do fingers all that much if you have a 10 as the sum, because we know the partners that make 10. For instance, 0 and 10 make 10. 1 and 9 make 10, 2 and 8 make 10, 3 and 7 make 10, 4 and 6 make 10, 5 and 5 make 10. And we keep on going, 6 and 4, we flip it over and we know that those numbers make 10. We're going to try doing problem number 2. What should we look at first? Yes, the sum. We need to know what number we need to make or make the total. We're going to start with the second addend. And yes, what should we do? The strategy we should use is, got it, counting on. So we start from 5, we go 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. That's 7 fingers, so we write 7. Let's take a look at the back sheet. I want you to do it for the rest of the problems. It shouldn't take too long if you are counting correctly. And we have word problems again like yesterday. The strategy we're using is reading, draw, and writing. Reading, drawing, writing. And it says read the word problem, draw it out, and label numbers. Write the number sentence and a statement. Remember, this is the number sentence, and this is the statement. Let's read what the problem says. It says there are 8 students in the writing center. The next are in the reading center. They spelled that wrong. The rest, sorry, not nest. There are 15 kids in the class. How many students are in the reading center? Okay, so we're going to have to, we read the problem. Now we're going to draw the problem. We have 8 students in the writing center. So 8 circles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and I'm just going to write a W for writing. And then I'm going to write 8 below it, so I know there's 8 in writing. The rest are in the reading center, so we don't know how many the rest are. We just know that they're in the reading center, so I'm going to write an R. There are 15 kids in the class, so that means if they're not in writing, they must be reading. So we're going to count the circles or count on with making circles until we reach the total of 15. So we can find out how many are in the reading center. So we have 8 here, and we count on 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. We count how many we have in our reading center. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 kids in the reading center. So we have 8 in the writing center. We're going to add the 7 that's in the reading center, and we get a total of 15. And we don't really need to do the math because we know that the total was 15 because they told us. Then we fill in the answer. There are blank in the reading center. Now don't get confused and write 8 because that's for writing. Reading, remember, we used an R, and we have 7. So we write 7 in the statement. Please finish up the last 2 problems. Let us know if you have any questions. Good luck and see you tomorrow.